विकालाद्यनवच्छिन्न अनन्तचिन्मात्रमूर्तये स्वानुभूत्येकमानाय नमः शान्ताय तेजसे. Artha Paddhati. So we have to start with this. We finished with the Manashaurya Paddhati. Artha Paddhati deals with the greatness of wealth, but many shlokas here will seem as if he is talking about wealth in a very sarcastic manner. Possible, because he is a scholar, he is a Kavi who has also been insulted by many kings, probably. That's why he starts off his Padyam, this work, by saying Prabhavaha Smaya Dushitaha. They are very Garvitaha iti. Probably that idea is there in his mind, and that's why there is a sarcastic tone, but it is also how people are in this world. Jatir yatu rasatalam gunaganaha tatrapi adho gacchatam sheelam shaila tatat patatu abhijanaha sandahyatam vanhina shaurye vairini vajram ashu nipatatu arthastu naha kevalam yena ekena vina gunastrina lava prayaha samastaha ime. Is first listing out all of the good qualities that generally attract one person to another person, or you think highly of another person because of certain qualities in them, right? Like Manashauryam. Even that Manashauryam depends on Artha. In certain cases, it depends on whether that person is wealthy and he is showing. Sometimes we even say in Tamil, "Kaila oru kaasu illa, enna unakku garvam appadimbo." You know, if you don't have money, how can you talk of yourself as be proud and all that? Paiyila oru paisa illa appadimbo. Even Manam and Shauryam have to have a basis of money for survival. If that is not there, then there is no point. Practical life is such what to do, but giving too much of importance to money at the cost of other good qualities is what is being denounced here, I think, by Bhartrihari. So it's a jatihi, someone who is born in a great kulam, let's say, no, jatihi satu rasatalam yatu, let it completely go to rasatalam. So rasatalam here is one of the lower worlds, like patalam, atala, vitala, sutala, patala, rasatala. Patalam actually is beyond rasatalam. Tarhi, that's why he goes to Gunaganaha Tatrapi Adhaha Gacchatam iti. So let this jati go to Rasatalam. That is, it is not even under consideration right now. And Gunaganaha, the good qualities, or the extreme, the amount of qualities that we have, that entirely can go even below that. Tathopi Adhaha Gacchatam. Let it go even beyond, even more below than this jati. Jati here refers to the family that they have been born. So it is not only not the caste as such, but the varnashrama jati, the qualities that come within because of that. So brahmanatvadi jatihi rasatalam gacchatu. Gacchatu nama, let it get destroyed and go down. We don't need it. Gunaganaha, you'll understand, it will get connected later. Arthaha astunaha, let us have only money. The rest can go to hell for all I care. You know, very simply he says that. So, rasatalam jatihi yatu, gunaganaha, the host of qualities, tatrapi adhaha gacchatam, gunaganaha gacchatam, let it go beyond the rasatalam also. What are these qualities? Dhairya, shaurya, maybe audaryam, gambhiryam, all of these qualities is taken as one big set. So guna ganaha tatrapi adhaha gacchatam, let it go. Sheelam shaila tatat patatu. Sheelam is good character. Sat swabhavaha. Shaila tatat, let it fall down from the mountain. Abhijanaha vanhina sandahyatam. Abhijanaha, all of your relatives or people, your vamsha, the entire kulam, let it be destroyed by vanhi. It's okay, it doesn't matter. Shaurye vairini vajram ashu nipatatu. Vairini shaurye. So shauryam is the gunam that is like a vairi, it is like an enemy to us. That is, this bravery is like an enemy to us because it is constantly making us agitated, and hence it is like an enemy. And so Shauryam is someone who is brave. Given any situation, he will immediately act, which means that there is that restlessness that is there constantly in a person who is brave. So Shaurye Vairini, it is an enemy to a person who wants to sit back and enjoy luxury. So Shaurye Vairini Shaurye in Shaurya Gunam, on top of Shaurya, bravery, which is like an enemy to us. Vajram Ashu Nipatatu, let Vajrayudha of Indra, or let a thunderbolt fall on it immediately. Ashu Arthaha Astu Naha Kevalam, let wealth alone be with us, let everything get destroyed, it doesn't matter. Yena ekena, yena arthena ekena vina, without which all of these qualities, ime samastaha gunaha trina lava prayaha, they are equal to just a small blade of grass, that's all. Ekena vina, without this vittam, without this wealth, सर्वे गुणाः तु उत्कर्षमाः वहन्ति, किन्तु अर्थं विना तु all of those are not even considered. न प्रायाहांगर्तक, I wanted to check where it is. So एकेन पूर्वोक्ताः समस्ताः गुणाः कल्पाः, प्राया is equal to तुल्याः इति. धनमार्जय काकुत्स्थ धनमूलम idam jagat. We read this in the Nibandhas. Dhanamarjaya kakutstha dhanamoolam idam jagat antaram nabhijanami nirdhanasya mritasya cha. This is from Ramayana. So earn money. I think Bharadwaja or someone says this, I think. Not sure where the context. So Dhanamoolam idam jagat. This world has dhanam or money as the moolam, as the source. Antaram na abhijanami nirdanasya mritasya cha. I don't see any difference between a person who is poor and a person who is dead. They are both equal. In idula Mritchakatikatla he'll say Mrita sharirena dhritas sajivati. Sharirena dhritaha saha Kintu mritaha jivati. He may, from the perspective of the body, physical body, he may seem like he is jivati, living. But from the perspective of his, the purpose of life, he is mritaha if he doesn't have money.
This seems like a very cynical statement. I mean,
Yeah.
I mean, previously he was saying that how the wealth can never bind the Vidwan. Previously, in the beginning of this, in the section, he was talking about how
Vidwat Paddhati. Yeah.
Vidyut Paddhati, he was talking about how you can't bind them with wealth, etc., etc.
Yes, yes,
And now
yes.
he is kind of saying the reverse, which is it looks like he means exactly the opposite of what he's saying. Like if the
But
cynic person
that
was
is also because of the perspective. He wants to say that practically people are like this. That's why I started off by saying Prabhavaha Smayadushitaha is your key
is the key
word.
So basically, he's what shall I say? He's speaking out the opinion of the common man. He is showing it, right? He doesn't mean it by as his own words. He's saying this is how people speak.
Yeah, this is the perspective of the people, and he is actually ironically he is speaking. This is what
Exactly, ironically. And even Bharadwaja's statement there, I think it comes when he's trying to convince Rama to go back and take the
and
kingdom rule. அப்போ அந்த செக்ஷன்ல தான் வரும்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
ஆமா, அப்பதான் he says தனமூலம் இதம் ஜகத். Why are you unnecessarily working here and roaming around in the forest? Yeah, just to convince him, but he is not of that type there.
So
இன்னும் வேற ஏதோ ஒன்னு சொல்றார்.
In the section, this irony, does it continue? Is this
Yeah. This is the first shloka. Ama.
Okay, and it continues for a bit, this irony.
Ade. Yes, it does. Arthanam arjane dukkham, arjitanam cha rakshane, arjitanam vyaye dukkham, dig artham dukkha vajanam. But this is the truth, no? When you earn money, it is difficult to earn money. Once you have earned money, you want to protect the money. Then arjitanam vyaye dukkham. When you start spending that, you feel sad that you na sethu vechadallam poidthe appadinu. Dig artham dukkha bhajanam. So there is no happiness with this money.
So my father passed away like early last year, but towards the end of his life, he put a message on WhatsApp where he said that ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு நான் இந்த வீடெல்லாம் கட்டினேன், எல்லாம் ஈஸியா விட்டு போறேன் அப்படின்னு. எவ்வளவு ஈஸியா விட்டு போறோம் அப்படின்னு.
ஆமா ஆமா ஆமா, என்ன பண்றது, you spend your whole life for what? That question remains la.
ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு like towards 70s, 60s, 70s, even the sons are all earning, but still what will happen அப்படின்னு ஒரு பயம். Still earn more and then எல்லாமே விட்டு போறோம். Right?
Very true. Yeah. அது earn பண்ணி what did you enjoy with that money that you earned? அதுவும் இல்ல.
ரொம்ப
சேடா இருக்கு.
Spend it also like ஐயோ வெச்சுக்கணும் பேங்க்ல தான் வெச்சுக்கணும், ஒன்னு ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணல.
I think the next generation is a little bit better that way. They enjoy also at the same time, earn also, work hard and play hard. Okay, next one is
we are negating in many places, and then only the guna vittam only we are saying. So is there some vyatireka? No vyatireka, right?
Vyatirekam illa indha edathula. There is no comparison. I told you, right? See, comparison irundada ella edathiliyum it's not necessary that there needs to be an alankara. Okay. This is a very popular shlokam. Yasyasti vittam sa narah kulinah sa panditah sa shrutavan gunajnah sa eva vakta sa cha darshaniyah sarve gunah kanchanamashrayanti. Yasya asti vittam, the one who has money, he is considered as the person who is born in a great lineage. No matter what he has done, some ancestor may have even committed murder, it doesn't matter. Today he has money, then his entire lineage will be honored. Sa panditah, he is considered as a scholar. Sa shrutavan, he is the one who has heard all the Vedas. Gunajnah, he understands what is gunam janati iti. He is the only person who recognizes qualities in people only if he has money. So Sayeva Vakta, he is the orator. He is called for an industrialist and real estate owners are called for school opening, sports day opening, something like that. What is the qualification? It is only wealth. That's all. Because he is a sponsorer. Sarve gunaha, such a darshaniyah is also a person who looks very handsome because he has wealth. Doesn't have to really have anything to do with the external beauty also. Such a darshaniyah, sarve gunaha, all of the qualities seem to follow money, follow gold. Kanchanam ashrayanti. Here it is atishayokti. So सर्वे गुणाः पूर्वोक्तकुलीनत्वादयः काञ्चनं वित्तम् आश्रयन्ति अतः अनेनैव सकलगुणसम्पत्तिसम्भवे किम अन्यैः प्रत्येकप्रयासाद्यैः. So what is the necessity to acquire other qualities? As long as you have wealth, everybody is going to consider you as a scholar or a handsome person, an orator. All that is going to be considered. We see that practically in life. Atra vittasya etavat guna sampadakatva asambandhe api. Even though money does not have the capability of buying these qualities, you cannot buy these qualities with money. तथापि तत् संबंध अभिधानात् यस्य वित्तम् अस्ति सः एव पंडितः तर्हि वित्तेनैव तस्य पाण्डित्यं वर्तते इति तत्र असंबन्धेऽपि संबन्धरूपः अतिशयोक्ति. ओके, यस्यास्ति वित्तं स नरः कुलीनः स पंडितः स श्रुतवान् गुणज्ञः स एव वक्ता स च दर्शनीयः सर्वे गुणाः काञ्चनम् आश्रयन्ति. दौर्मन्त्र्यात् नृपतिर्विनश्यति यतिः संगात् सुतो लालनात् विप्रो अनध्ययनात् कुलं कुतनयात् शीलं खलोपासनात् ह्रीः मद्यात् अनवेक्षणादपि कृषिः स्नेहः प्रवासाश्रयात् मैत्री च अप्रणयात् समृद्धिः अनयात् त्यागात् प्रमादात् धनम्. Okay, so each one, how does money get destroyed? So he gives the examples, parallels of other places where something gets destroyed because of something else. So it's just a chart kind of thing here. So Nripatihi, a king, Daurmantriyat vinashyati. A king gets destroyed because of Durmantri. Daurmantriyam nama Durmantrinaha karyam Daurmantriyam, or Durmantrasya bhavaha Daurmantriyam. That's also possible. So Durmantrasya bhavaha ityuktamatra. So because of bad counsel, a king gets destroyed. Yatihi sangat vinashyati. Yati, a person who is an ascetic gets destroyed because of sutaha. So atra dushtaha na sulakshana prayuktaha mantraha. Mantro nama shadgunya chintanam. Shadgunyam is the 6 things that a king has to focus on. Sandhi, abhiyanam, vigraha, all these things, right? So treaty, going for an expedition, or waging a war, these are called, or the shad gunas can be the shad angas, or the 6 parts, and counsel with respect to the 6 parts, which is kosha, balam, the raja, prakriti, mantri, etc. Sena.
I think
Nripati,
Kirata Arjunia we saw that,
yes,
right, in one. Yeah. Okay.
I saw that. Nripatihi Daurmantriyat sakim saka sadhu nashasthiyo dhipam. Adla varum, no? So here amatyeshu nripeshvamatyeshu cha sarvasampadaha sadanukulveshu hi kurvate ratim. Nripeshvamatyeshu cha sarvasampadaha. Only where there is an anukulata between the king and the amatya, wealth can exist. So if the mantri is a bad mantri, then the king gets destroyed. Yatihi sangat nashyati. This nashyati has to, vinashyati keeps going for every section. So you can take it as a tulya yogita alankara also, where all of the actually inge vandu prakritam aprakritam rendume irukko. 1 minute. I don't know if he mentions that alankara here. Illa. Okay, let's go. I think it is Deepakam then. It can't be Tulya Yogita. Sorry. Okay. Daurmantriyat nripatihi vinashyati. Yatihi sangat vinashyati. So yatihi, the yati is an ascetic here. Saha bhrashta yogaha bhavati katham sangat samagamat nashyati. So a yogi இது இருக்கு இல்லையா, நிசங் இல்ல அந்த சங்காத்து புத்திநாசகாங்கிறதுல போய் முடியும். புத்திநாசாத் பிரணஷ்யதி இதி. What is that Gita shlokam? ஐயா வரவல்ல பாரு, மறந்து போயிடுது. புத்திநாசாத் பிரணஷ்யதி. So the moment he has an attachment, then his indriyas go and get attached to that. He wants that to come.
Sangasteshu upajayate sangat
sanjayate krodha krodhat bhavati sammoha
kamat krodho bijayate krodhat bhavati sammoha
smriti vibhramshat buddhinashat pranashyati. And the model part varla sangasteshu upajayate dhyayato vishayan pumsaha. So as a person keeps thinking about the objects of the world, sangasteshu upajayate, a yogi has to retrieve all of his senses, and it has to be focused within and not outside. So instead of letting it flow outside, he has to push it inside and think about the Lord within. That if he is not able to do it, he immediately gets sanga. Then sangasteshu upajayate, he has an attachment towards the objects in the world. Sangat sanjayate kamaha, Kamat krodha abhijayate. From kamam, then krodha. Krodhat sammoha. You don't, you lose your faculties there. You are unable to focus, you are unable to distinguish between what is right and what is wrong. Sammohat smriti vibhramaha, smriti bhramshat buddhinashaha. Buddhinasha pranashyati. The moment you lose your brain faculty to think, then everything is gone. It's just a landslide. So yatihi sangat vinashyati. How can just a small attachment lead to nasha? This is the process. Sutaha lalanat vinashyati. Lalanam here is pampering. Not just cajoling or being nice, not that kind of a thing, but lalanam refers to more, pampering and allowing temper tantrums, all that kind of thing. So, sutaha, a child gets destroyed, not mriyate itina. Tatra, you take it as he is not able to interact with other people because of being pampered, because of being satisfied at home at every moment. He has no concept of rejection, and so he doesn't know how to interact with the world. So, sutaha lalanat vinashyati. Vipraha anadhyayanat. A Brahmana's work are the 6 works that he is Aranjail. So he has to do 6 things. Adhyanam, adhyapanam. That is the first one. Then Danam Pratigraham, of course. Yajanam, Yajanam. Adhyanam is the first part. No matter what, whether he is teaching or not, he has to study first. Otherwise, that kind of an imparting knowledge will never happen. So Vipraha anadhyayanat nashyati. He loses everything if he doesn't study. And then Kutanayat kulam vinashyati. Kutanayat, a family gets destroyed or a family is ruined by a bad son, wicked son. Sheelam khala upasanat. Khala upasanat, by doing upasana to a khala, durjanaha. So durjana seva yaha. Sheelam tatra nashyati. Tarhi, you may be a good person by heart. You may be the perfect person, but if you go and sit with someone, everybody is not Vidura. Everybody cannot be Vidura, even though serving Duryodhana, he still retained his buddhi there, right? Not everybody has that kind of a sthira buddhi. Whereas here, if the moment you get associated with wicked people, khala upasanat, sheelam nashyati, your character is gone as you slowly get association with an evil person. Hrihi madhyat, intoxicant, your modesty is lost. The moment you start having some intoxicant, you lose that kind of shame, and anything that is there in your heart will come to your mouth. You won't know what to stop, what not to say, what to say, what not to say. So, hrihi madhyat. Anavekshanadapi krishihi vinashyati. Krishihi, land. Agricultural land gets destroyed, gets ruined if anavekshanat, if one does not oversee. So you need supervising constantly for an agricultural land. Sneha pravasa ashrayat. Pravasa ashrayat. Distance loses that sneham. Affection gets destroyed by pravasa ashraya, by staying away. Anna, there is a saying also that distance can strengthen the bond. But you can also lose the affection because of the distance. Long distance relationship doesn't work. Apranayat, maitri. Apranayat, when that pranayam is actually the show of affection. If that is not there, then your friendship is gone. If the concern, pranaya is more like a concern or show of affection. If apranayat, if that is not there, then because of that, due to that, maitri vinashyati, a friendship can get ruined. Samriddhihi anayat. Samriddhi is abundance can be destroyed because of anaya. If you do not have that kind of a policy to manage it, you have wealth management. If you don't have wealth management, then your wealth is going to get destroyed. So, samriddhi here refers to abundance. And dhanam, त्यागात् प्रमादात् च dhanam, wealth can be destroyed by tyaga. Tyaga here refers to careless spending, you know, pramadat tyagat, either by a mistake or by giving it up. Not charity. I think he takes it here as dhanam tu tyagat arthisat karanat. Oh, there is another reading dyutat pramadat. That makes more sense. Instead of tyaga here is not a great quality of tyaga, but more like pramadat tyagat. Take it as an adjective to pramada is the adjective to tyagam, so you can take it as apatre danam iti. So when you give charity to a person who is not a patram, who is not a worthy person, by mistake you give it to someone, then your money is gone. Danat nashaha samanantara shloka eva vakshyati. Oh, okay. That is next one. We'll see that. So daurmantriyat nripatir vinashyati yatis sangat suto lalanat vipro anadhyayanat kulam kutanayat sheelam khalopasanat hrir madhyadanavekshanaadapi krishihi snehah pravasashrayat maitri cha apranayat samriddhihi anayat tyagat pramadat dhanam. There are only 3 ways for money. One is dhanam, bhogaha, nashaha, tisro gatayaha bhavanti vittasya. Yo na dadati na bhunkte tasya tritiya gatihi. So dhanam is satpatre dhanam. That's why he specifies it in the Vyakhyanam by that. Dhanam satpatra tyagaha. Bhogaha nama srakchandanadi dwara anubhavaha. Enjoying the wealth, or you give it off in charity to other people for them to, worthy people, so that they can lead their life. And then the third one is nasha. Nashaha nama dana dharmadi abhave choradina vilayaha. Nasham refers to completely getting destroyed in the form of people, wealth getting stolen, or you put it in share market and it's completely gone, that kind of nasha. So there are only tisraha gatayaha vittasya. There are 3 paths to money, wealth. Yaha na dadati, a person who neither gives na bhunkte, nor does he enjoy. There is only the third course that is left. Tasya tritiya gatihi bhavati. Tari tritiya tu atra nashaha eva. Nikrishtaha arthaha vittasya danena gatihi uttama bhavati. Atma bhogena madhyama choradinasha gatihi adhama. So these 3 can be categorized as the best format of the use of wealth is to give in charity. The second one is to enjoy. It's the mediocre way for the wealth. The last is for it to, you don't enjoy, neither you enjoy, nor are you giving it to somebody else and earning punyam. That is also not there, and it gets destroyed in the process. So ataha dana shaundena iva bhavitavyam dhanadhyena iti bhavaha. This is not a cynical thing, but at least it gives you a proper direction here with respect to wealth. Manishano leedhaha samara vijayi heti dalitaha madakshino nagaha sharadi saridashyana pulina kala sheshas chandraha surata mridita balavanita tanimna shobhante galita vibhavascha arthishu jana naraha. Tanimna shobhante, this is your common theme. The alankara that I forgot to say is tulya yogita. Ingiyum அவர் சொல்றாரா tulya yogitaன்னு பார்க்கறேன். இல்ல, இங்கே பிரஸ்துதானாம் Deepaka Alankara. This is the same thing that you have to apply for Daurmantriyat and Nripatihi Vinashyati iti. So one set of things are prastutam, the other set is aprastutam. So connecting both the prastuta and aprastuta with one kriyapadam is Deepaka Alankara. So atra pashyantu Daurmantriyat Nripatihi. Everything else is aprastutam. अत्र प्रस्तुतञ्च अर्थपद्धतिः इति कारणात् अर्थस्य नाशः कथं भवति इति प्रस्तुतार्थः. सो प्रस्तुतस्य अप्रस्तुतानाञ्च विनश्यति इति क्रियापदेन there is a link. Okay, because of that it is Deepaka Alankara. இந்த ரேடியில வைக்கிற விளக்கு மாதிரி. The same goes for this.
Which one was Tulya Yogita?
இல்ல, துல்லிய யோகிதா கிடையாது. I was wondering if that was துல்லிய யோகிதா. That is not துல்லிய யோகிதா. It is Deepaka Alankara. By the same formula is given the explanation in this game. Tanimna shobhante. Tanimna na tanoho bhavaha tanimna imanich pratyatra. So tanimna krishata. So tanima is krishata. Tanimna krishataya. Tritiya vibhakti atra. So because of being impoverished nu sollama, emaciation, due to their emaciation these things are prakashante, shobhante. All of these people shine because they are actually lesser than what they were before. Nalla trimma irukradunala avdinu. But he gives examples which are very very nice actually. Manish shano leadha. Shana தீட்டின ஒரு கல்லு. ஷானங்கிறது வந்து, you know, you put a gem on a grindstone and keep polishing it. You start off with a raw stone which is huge, and then as you polish it, it loses the size and it becomes smaller and smaller, but it gains with respect to shine. So prakashate. Shanaha nama shastra uttejana sadhana upala visheshaha. Shastra uttejanam, the stone that you use to sharpen any weapon is also used to gharshanartham tatra nikashopalam iti uchyate khlu. Tatha atra it is like a touchstone which is used to sharpen or give that edge for a gem. Tatha shana ullidha nama highlighted or gharshanam kritaha. So the gem that has been polished on a stone, shana ullidaha manihi tanimna shobhate. All of these put together, shobhante iti bahuvachane yuktam. That's okay. So this shines because a gem polished on a touchstone shines. Samara vijayi heti dalitaha. I always like to say, highlight Ponniyin Selvan idla. அப்படியே அந்த அது என்ன பழுவேட்டரையரை சொல்லும் பொழுது என்னமோ இத்தனை விழுப்புண்கள் அப்படிம்பார் இல்ல,
64 I think.
64 விழுப்புண்களோ ஏதோ அப்படிம்பார். அதுதான் ஞாபகம் வரும். சமர விஜயி. He has been victorious in a battle, but at the same time, heti dalitaha. He has become very thin and he has been injured with weapons. When you suffer injuries and you have been in a battle, புஷ்டியா இருக்க முடியாது. வீட்டில் உட்காந்து பஜ்ஜி சாப்பிட்றது தானே புஷ்டியா இருக்க முடியும். You go out and fight in a battle, you naturally you lose weight and you're more trim here, and you're also injured. But that is a kind of a award for you. So samara vijayi heti dalitaha tanimna shobhate. Madakshinaha nagaha. Nagaha, an elephant which is weakened. Kshinaha, which is weakened and which is also thin because of madajalam. So yavvane, it has so much of activity inside, and that rut, it emits that madajalam, and because of that activity, metabolic activity is very high, so it becomes quite thin during that time. Yet it shines because of that. It's not old and பாமல்ல பார்க்கறதுக்கு. அதுக்கு சொல்றார். ஷரதி சரித்து ஆஷ்யான புலினா. Sharadi, Sharatkale, during autumn season, when a river, the sandy bed of a river. So, Ashyana Pulina Sarit, this is an adjective to the Sarit. A river whose Saikatam, Pulinam, whose sandy banks are Ashyana, Ishat Shushkam. Shyanam, I think, ஷியைங்கிற தாத்துவோ ஏதோ வரும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ ஆஷ்யான ஈஷத்து சுஷ்காணி புலினானி சைகதானி யஸ்யாஹா தாத்ருஷ நதி. ஆஃப்டர் ரெய்னி சீசன், when the waters recede, there are many sandy banks, and it is also beautiful because the water is less and it is more navigable. it looks lovely. You can also go and play near the waters. Whereas during rainy season, even if the water is full, it's more dangerous. You don't call it beautiful at that point of time because it is unnavigable during rainy season. So Sharadi Sharatkale Sarit Nadi Ashyana Pulina Api Tanimna Shobhate. It shines because of her flow being reduced. Yet she shines. So Kala Sheshaha Chandraha, the moon more than Paurnami, during the full moon, more than the full moon, we love the crescent moon, which is why both Shiva and Parvati have it on their head as a crescent, as an ornament. So Kala Sheshaha Chandraha, the moon which is just remaining as a single digit, is very beautiful. Tanimna Shobhate. Surata Mridita Bala Vanita, a young girl who is just married. She is very Mridita, she is very not tortured in Solavanda, she is more fatigued because of Suratam, because of the union. She is just married and slowly she has enjoyed the time with her husband, and you can see her body has become more lovely because of that, and she is also emaciated in a night தூக்கமில்லை அதனால. Okay, she has no sleep during the night or less sleep during the night, yet she looks lovely. Galita Vibhavaha, this is what we want because this is the Prakritam. The rest are all Aprakritam. It does give one connection for us. We can understand it more. Naraha Arthishu Galita Vibhavaha, those who have lost their wealth or those whose wealth have come down, has been reduced by giving it to Arthi, by giving it to seekers. Right? Those who come and ask, if when Raghu was ready to go and fight with Kubera, when Kautsa's Shishya came, Bharatantu Shishya, right? Kautsa came. He said, I don't have any wealth, but that doesn't mean that Raghu was less of a king because of not having wealth. He was ready to go and fight with Kubera, and before that, Kubera decided to rain wealth on him. Idu madri, Kanakadhara Stotram madri anga. But those kings or Naraha, men who have given their wealth in charity, to seekers, Arthishu Galita Vibhavaha, Te Naraha Tanimna Shobhante. This is the theme in Mrichakatikam. Charudatta is a person who has given his wealth for many people, and that is why he lives in poverty right now, and it starts off with that. Nice drama. Manishano Leedhaha Samara Vijayi Heti Dalitaha Madakshino Nagaha Sharadi Saridashyana Pulina Kalashesha Chandraha Surata Mritita Balavanita Tanimna Shobhante Galita Vibhavascha Arthishu Naraha. Let's just read the Alankara section and then move on. Okay. Atra Prastutanam Naranam Cha Samastya Artharupa Tulya Dharmena Aupamyasya Gamyamanatvat. See, there should be an Aupamyam and Tulya Dharmata should be there. So that Tulya Dharmam here is Artham. Shobhante. அதையும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். எதுக்கு இவர் துல்லிய தர்மத்தை அர்த்தம் எடுத்துக்கிறார்? Okay. He takes wealth as the common dharma here to compare Nara, who are the Prastuta, who is the context, the people who have wealth. That is the context, and the rest are all non-contextual. So prastutanam tatha anyesham nama tatra aprastutanam samastye tulya dharmataha aupamyam gamyate yatra deepakam tan nigadyate. This is I think from Kavya Prakasham. This is not from Kuvalyananda. He was more familiar with Kavya Prakasham. Yeah. Okay. We'll stop with this.